Want a secure place to store your most sensitive files on your Windows 11 device? In this video, I'll walk you through step by step how to set up OneDrive's Personal Vault, a special protected space inside your OneDrive where your important documents like passports, tax records, and confidential notes are extra safe. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get your personal vault up and running so you can protect what matters most with confidence. Alright, let's dive straight in. First, you'll want to open OneDrive on your Windows 11 computer. If you look down at the taskbar, usually at the bottom right, you should see a little cloud icon. That's the OneDrive app. Go ahead and click on that. If you don't see it right away, it might be tucked in the system tray behind a little arrow. Just click that to reveal hidden icons. Next, look in the top right corner of the OneDrive window. There's a small gear icon. This is your gateway to the settings. Click it and you'll get a menu where you'll find, you guessed it, Settings. Click Settings and a new window will pop up. Inside this Settings window, shift your attention to the left sidebar and click on the tab labeled Account. This is where you manage the different aspects of your OneDrive account, including the Personal Vault. It's easy to overlook, so make sure you're in the right place. Think of this almost like opening the right drawer in a filing cabinet. You want to be sure you're working on the right area. Now look for the section called Personal Vault. If you haven't set it up yet, this is where you'll either see an option labeled Set up Personal Vault, or maybe Unlock Personal Vault if you've tried before. Click on that. It'll open another window that explains briefly what Personal Vault is. It's useful to read, but for now, let's move forward. At this point, Microsoft wants to be sure it's really you setting this up, not someone else who just stumbled onto your laptop. So you'll need to verify your identity. The prompts will guide you through signing into your Microsoft account again, and then you'll be asked to set up a second form of verification if you haven't already. This could be the Microsoft Authenticator app, a special code sent to your phone via text, or an email confirmation. If you're choosing between these, pick whichever method is most accessible to you. Many people find text messages easiest, but the app tends to be most secure. Don't worry if it takes a moment to receive your code or if you need to set up authentication. It's worth taking your time so your vault is properly locked. After you successfully verify your identity, the setup will finish automatically. You'll know you're done when, inside your OneDrive folder, a new icon appears. It looks just like a little safe or vault. This is your personal vault. Anything you move into this protected folder will require extra verification to access. It's kind of like the difference between a locked box and a regular drawer. Nobody's getting into your vault without the right key. And that's it. You've set up your OneDrive Personal Vault, and now you have a secure place to stash your sensitive or valuable files. Whenever you need to access the vault, you'll be asked to go through the identity verification one more time. It's a little extra step, but think of it like locking your front door before leaving the house. That added peace of mind is worth it. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a like. And if you have any questions about Personal Vault or want to share how you use it, let me know in the comments below. I always read them. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this one. Stay safe and see you next time.